Asus ROG Strix XG259QNS. Gaming Monitor Review. The ultimate fast gaming monitor for competitive play. If you want one of the fastest gaming monitors for competitive play, the Asus ROG Strix XG259QNS definitely deserves a look. But is its extreme speed worth choosing over a higher resolution display? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video and you can find it through the product link in the description. The XG259QNS is a 24.5-inch Full HD monitor with a fast IPS panel and a 380Hz overclocked refresh rate. Asus rates it at 1 millisecond GTG response time with a 0.3 milliseconds minimum response time. For fast shooters and esports games, that combination is designed to provide smooth motion and quick on-screen response. You also get Adaptive Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium, plus Asus eLMB Sync, which combines variable refresh rate with motion blur reduction. Features like Shadow Boost and Game Plus are useful for competitive gaming, while Display Widget Center lets you control monitor settings more conveniently from your PC. The design is also practical. The stand supports height adjustment, tilt, swivel, and pivot. And there's a 100 by 100 mm VESA mount if you prefer a monitor arm. Connectivity includes DisplayPort 1.4, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, 2 USHMI 2.0 ports, and a headphone jack. But there's one major compromise: resolution. At 1920 by 1080, this monitor is built around speed rather than image detail. If you mainly play cinematic games, edit content, or want more desktop space, a good 1440p monitor may be the better choice. HDR10 and 400 nit brightness are included, but HDR isn't the main selling point here, and there are no built-in speakers. So, is it worth buying? For competitive gamers who can take advantage of very high frame rates, the XG259QNS is a highly focused and capable option. For casual gamers, the extra cost of 380Hz may be harder to justify. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments whether you would choose 380Hz Full HD or a higher resolution gaming monitor.